In this video, we are going to learn how you can add Mailchimp subscribers from Zoho sheet rows. So the idea here is that you have created a Zoho sheet where you are maintaining the contact details. Now you want that whenever you add a new data to your Zoho sheet, automatically using those details, a new subscriber should get added to your Mailchimp account. For that, you need to integrate your Zoho sheet with Mailchimp. So here your trigger application would be Zoho sheet and your action application would be Mailchimp. So how you can integrate both these software applications using Pabbly Connect? For that you need to come to my screen. So welcome to my screen. Here let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Now if you are a new user, you have to just click on sign up for free button and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes and you are going to get free task every month. If you're already a user of Pabbly Connect, simply click on sign in. In the All Apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on Access Now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on Create Workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as Add Mailchimp Subscribers from Zoho Sheet Rows. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on Create. Now we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this particular use case, we want that whenever we add a new data to a Zoho sheet, automatically using those details, a new subscriber should get added to your Mailchimp account. For that, first we need to integrate Zoho sheet with Pabbly Connect. So open this trigger window and here choose the application name as Zoho sheet. Select the trigger event as new rows. Click on connect. Click on add new connection and click on connect with Zoho sheet. Now here it is asking for the domain. Enter the domain your Zoho account belongs to from below. So I'll just take you to the Zoho sheet which I have already created. And here in the URL you can find zoho.com. So I'll be just giving the same domain over here as zoho.com. So here you have to paste your domain and simply click on save. And now it is asking for the access. So let's click on accept to give it the access over here. Authorization successful. And now the Zoho sheet is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now as we have created a connection, here we can find all the workbooks that I have created in my Zoho sheet account. Okay, you can find all the workbooks. So I'll just show you the workbook once again. So here you can see that my workbook name is Mailchimp Subscribers, where I'm just adding the details for the first name, last name, email address and the phone number of the subscriber. And the sheet name is sheet 1 over here. Okay. So now we have to select the same spreadsheet or the workbook name over here also in Pabbly Connect. That is Mailchimp Subscribers. Now here you can see that the sheet name is automatically captured as sheet 1 just because I have created a single sheet in this particular workbook. If you have created multiple worksheets, then from the drop down you have to select your specific worksheet name. And now let's click on save and send test request. And here we can see that it is waiting for the response. So in order to capture the response, we have to do a test submission. It means we have to add a new data to our Zoho sheet. So let's move to our Zoho sheet, Mailchimp subscribers. And here we are going to add the details. Let's give the first name as demo, last name as customer, email address as demo@pabblytudes.com. Let's enter the phone number over here. Okay, so we have added the data. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see that the response will be captured within some seconds. Okay, and here the response is received and all the details of the spreadsheet are captured over here. We can find the email address. When we scroll down, we can find the phone number, first name and last name of the subscriber that needs to be added. So now we want that using these details, a new subscriber should get added to our Mailchimp account. So let's scroll down, come to this action window and here choose the application name as Mailchimp. Select the action event as add new member with custom fields. Click on connect, click on add new connection and now here it is asking for the token and the data center. So let us read the instructions. Enter your API key. You can find the above key by logging to your Mailchimp account. Click on profile picture. Click on Profile, Extras, API keys. So I'll just take you to my Mailchimp account. So here you can see that I don't have any contacts over here. Okay, here we can find the profile picture. So simply click on profile, and from here we have to just move to profile. Click on extras and click on API keys. And when we scroll down, we can find the API key over here. I'm just going to copy this API key and I'll be pasting the same over here to create a connection. Okay. And now here it is asking for the data center. Enter the data center, example US19, which appears as a subdomain in your Mailchimp account URL. For that, let's move to the Mailchimp account once again. And here you can see US6. So I'm just going to copy it and I'll be pasting it over here as my data center. So you have to paste your data center from your URL over here. And now let's click on save. And now the Mailchimp account is connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged into my Mailchimp account. So make sure before creating a connection, you're logged into your Mailchimp account. Now here you have to select your specific audience list where you want to create the subscriber. So as you can see, it is automatically captured. My audience list name is Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to give the details, email address and other details of the subscriber that needs to be created. So we have already got all these details from our trigger response over here. So now we are going to map these details. For mapping, simply scroll down, click it over here, come to the response of Zoho sheet, that is the trigger response, and from here we are going to select the email address from the drop down. In the same way, we are going to map the other details also. Here if you want to specify some tags, you can just give it over here. You can select the status of the subscriber from here as subscribed, unsubscribed, cleaned. So in my case, I'm just keeping it as subscribed one. And now we'll be mapping the first name, that was demo, last name, that was customer, and here we'll be mapping the mobile number. So we have mapped all the details. Now let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the responses received. It means a new subscriber is added to our Mailchimp account. Let's check it. We have to just move to the all contacts section. Okay, and here we have got a new contact or a new subscriber created, name as demo, last name as customer. Here we can find the mobile number and here we can find the email address. So in this way, we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. Okay, let's move back to Pabbly Connect and now I'll just save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay, now we have set up an automation. This is a one-time process. Next time, whenever you're going to add a data to your Zoho sheet, automatically using those details, a new subscriber will get added to your Mailchimp account. So now we are going to check this in the real time that whether our integration is actually working fine or not. For that, let's move to the Zoho sheet once again. And here let us give the first name of the customer as dummy, last name as customer itself, email address as dummy@pabblytunes.com, and let's enter the phone number over here. So we have added the data. Now let us check our subscriber list of Mailchimp account. We have to just refresh it. Okay, and here we have got a new contact created. Email address as dummy@pabblytunes.com, first name as dummy, last name as customer, and here we can find the mobile number. And in this way, we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And now I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first, we have created an integration between Zoho Sheet and Pabbly Connect so that whenever a new data is added to your Zoho Sheet, automatically the details are captured in Pabbly Connect. And then using those details, we have created a new subscriber or a new contact into your Mailchimp account. And in this way, we have learned that how we can add Mailchimp subscribers from Zoho Sheets using Pabbly Connect. Thank you.
So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can visit our Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.